My name is Paul. I'm going to show you a quick demonstration of how to use the builder to build your own virtual guitar. So virtualize the building of your guitar. These are some tools that I've made for myself that I hope others can use to build their own, design their own guitars, and so to help your builder and ultimately help your builder to build a guitar that's just for you. And so if you notice here, this is just a bunch of inventory items on how to what your guitar is made up of, and the inventory that actually are the components of your guitar. So the builder here is you can just click on the items and it'll change the different woods, so you can see the different woods and how they interact together. And you'll also notice here that the wood is actually tied to the form, and so I can change the woods from the form as well as from the view here. And so there's also a guide to actually give you an idea of the scale of things. And so all these are scaled to a 25-inch scale. And you'll see here that the Shark guitar is quite a bit larger than the Manta. So the Manta is a small guitar, it's a light guitar, and it sits on your lap in a unique way. And so there's also a Shark guitar, which is a modern Shark. And this bout here, again, this allows you to sit on your lap in a very comfortable and ergonomic way, and that's kind of what makes my designs different than other designs, I hope. And so you'll notice here I don't have a head, but you can have a head on your guitars, but you notice there's no tuners here, and that's because the tuners on the bridges that I use, which is the Floyd Rose speed loader bridge, actually reside on the bridge. And so that's a neat design that provides me some design capabilities that I want, and also some simplifications that I want. And so for me, I like the way a guitar looks without the head. It looks modern to me, but I'm not sure I like it better than having the tail on there, and that's the reason why I still support that. And so if you notice here that again, there are various different inventory items in here that I can select, and then I can save those items. And when I save them, you'll notice here that those properties are just appended to the URL, and that's what allows me to share these different builds without having a back end. And so my builder site here is just a static site. It doesn't have any database in the back end to hold these different variables and stuff. And so there's no sign-in, for example, either. But you can share and drag and drop and share these builds with other people. So I'm just going to put this into my toolbar. Then I can go back to the various different builds that I have built in the past, and see the different builds that I've got. And so that's also a neat way, and importantly, that's a neat way to be able to. You can simply take these URLs and send them to people, and they can start from here to see your design. In particular, you might send them to your builder, for example. So it also include not just the visualization, but it also includes the various different items and opinions about what you'd want that would make up your particular type of design. And so that's the basics. I hope you enjoy it. Cheers.